So, you need a trim. But how do you really know that you need a trim? And do you even know what you're doing? Well, have no fear. I'm here to guide you. Telltale signs that you need a trim is your hair is always tangled no matter what you do. Your ends feels rough. You have split ends and single strand knots. Speaking of split ends, these are the most popular kinds and they affect me the most actually. I know what I do that caused them, but once you get them, there is no repairing your hair. You have to cut them out. This is basically the whole point of trimming your hair to keep your ends healthy. The underlying rule is that you should cut your hair every 3 months. But rules are meant to be broken. I think it's more important to analyze your hair. If you have a lot of split ends, if you have a lot of knots, you can go ahead and get yourself a nice trim. If not, why do you need to cut your hair if you don't have to? Alright, so to start, I do my full hair routine. I think it's best to do this once your hair is nice and moisturized, and you'll see why later on. I ended up going on a run, so I was dying, but that helped me deep condition my hair even faster. I'm dying. I'm so hot. Alright, so that's me. I took a nice shower, I washed my hair, and I'm ready to get started. By the way, using a towel like this is definitely not healthy for your hair and can actually cause knots and split ends. So be careful, don't do that. But then again, like I said, rules are meant to be broken. Sometimes you can't really be bothered with split ends. Anyway, so what I do is I make sure that my hair is super detangled. So my hair has been finger tangled in the shower, but I do go over it with my pick as well as this fine-tooth comb. I know you guys are cringing right now, but it's okay because my hair has been detangled. So this is method number 1, which I'm not particularly a fan of. You go ahead and make sure that your hair is detangled. You will lock it in between 2 fingers and you'll cut whatever amount that's on the other side of your finger. Theoretically speaking, this will work very well for straight hair, but I find that it doesn't work very well for kinky, coarse hair because we get a lot of shrinkage. This little itty bitty amount of hair that you look at can actually be quite long and you can't really tell how much hair you're cutting. So what I like to do is to go ahead and moisturize my hair, make sure that it is detangled, put my hair into a twist, then I can analyze my ends nicely. I can see where it's rough, where it's bulky. I can feel the knots under my fingers, and then I can go ahead and cut the amount that I want to. So maybe I want to cut a lot, maybe I don't. Between you and I have been trying to grow my hair to get braids, so I'm not trimming a lot of my ends off. Then again, I don't really need to trim too much anyway. So I'll show you again. Make sure that my hair is moisturized. I detangle and make sure that my ends are very well detangled. Put it into a twist and I trim exactly what I need. You can see that I'm using a really fine tooth comb for my ends just to make sure that they're super smooth, but I'm not ripping my hair out per se. Anyways, once you're done with all of that, you will be left with a head of twist. And this is the best part for me because as I go ahead and trim my ends, I put my hair in twist. So then at this point, I can do a nice twist out and you can see how beautiful my ends are. They're perfectly curly and shrunken. That tells me that they're nice and happy and healthy. I have no straggly ends. Everything is feeling nice and smooth and that's exactly what I want. So I got these perm rods that's been sitting around my house and I haven't been using. So I decided to put my twist into these rods and then I'm going to bed. So the very next day, I go ahead and take out the rods, I take out the twist, I separate them, pick up my hair, and I'm left with a beautiful style. This is basically like a 2-in-1. You're welcome. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I have been posting videos like crazy if you haven't noticed. Share this video with a friend if you think that it will be helpful. and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Shout out to my skin, by the way. It's looking nice and fabulous. Okay.